ready.
Yeah.
I was not ready for that. Woo! Wow. Hi guys, today with the owner of this beautiful BMW. So I'll let you introduce yourself.
Hey everyone, my name is Sal. I'm from Sal's Garage on YouTube, and this is our 2009 E93 M3 with the V8 engine, naturally aspirated, and it has some mods on it that I'm glad to talk about.
Yeah, please.
Well, first of all, it just has simple carbon fiber linings in the headlights and angel lights.
That's pretty cool actually. Don't have seen that before. That's
Yeah.
awesome.
No, it definitely shows up in the
Yeah,
sunlights.
for sure.
sunlight.
That's very
Forget
unique.
forget the car. It hasn't been washed in a couple of weeks, so it's pretty dirty. But this is the.
What do you mean you present a dirty car on this channel?
Exactly. Yeah. Here's a couple bugs right here.
That's one of the mods.
Yeah, one of the mods, the bug mod.
All right, so
We've got the front lip. A lot of the mods here are legit mods, so they're a lot of them I've got from eBay and Amazon for cheap, like this lip, for example. The side skirts as well. The wheels are ESR, forged wheels, so they're lightweight, 19-inch.
that's pretty nice.
Pretty brown, but yeah, they're fun. You can see the Brembos there. That's a custom Brembo brake kit from Volkswagen Touareg.
That's very cool. And the color?
Color's blue, so that's powder
The
coated.
color is very, very nice.
Thank you. And the rear brakes is just a cover, but it still matches the front, which is unmatched. And
So-
the rear is this is an eBay wing. The rear diffuser and the exhaust is Zen-Rage, a collaboration that me and Zen-Rage made.
Yeah. So we have do this collaboration because Sal is a friend from the East Coast, from California, and yeah, working a lot on his exhaust, and it is a very unique sound for this car. So we talked many times about it, and we finally decided to do a collaboration on that, and we have his secret recipe right now because you have put so much hour on it.
Yes.
Then he was. I mean, it was very, very great, and a lot of people try to copy as right now.
Yeah.
But that's not the secret. So we're very happy. And for the sound, we're gonna do a couple pass over here. Not crazy because we are on the parking lot, but you're gonna see, guys, is very, very, very unique, and we're very happy to collaborate for do this thing. So what's other mods you have?
So the mods is the exhaust, of course, which is custom made. It took 7 tries to get the sound where I wanted it to, but it's the F1 high pitch exhaust that I've always wanted, especially for the V8, which revs to almost 9,000 RPM, naturally aspirated. It's definitely something that you want to buy an exhaust for, so you can hear it. It's in stock, you can't really hear it.
Yeah.
We also have the design as well. There's a carbon fiber for it, and that one is going to help decrease the induction noise, so the engine noise from the front of the car. And then we've also got a tune so that it shoots fire and pops and bangs, that one that everybody likes, as well as intake, customized intake, and a lot of lightweight parts such as the wheels, and the battery is lightweight as well.
Okay.
And eventually I want to do the seats lightweight too, so weight savings, because this is convertible, so the convertible is very heavy.
Yeah.
Just like this one over here is also.
Yeah, and you know this one. It was on the channel. It's a BRR. That's a friend as well from California.
Beautiful color.
So on this car, I heard, and maybe you're gonna wrap it in the future, but
Yeah.
you still don't have make the choice, right?
Yeah, no, still shoot. So I want to make sure I choose the right color.
Yeah.
But
No.
I guess I can show you the inside.
Yeah.
this one here, the magnetic paddle shifters.
Oh, nice.
So you can hear the every time you shift, it's like a F1. You know, it's that nice, satisfying tactile feedback.
That's pretty cool. What
Yeah.
the screen is a big screen. That's the OEM screen.
This is not OEM. This is actually a customized screen
Oh,
that
you
I
see,
got.
I'm here for remind you all the mod that you have done because you have done so much. Then
There's a lot, yeah.
yeah.
But this is a good mod because you know, normally the screen is so far inside, it's hard to reach. But this was a lot easier to reach. It almost makes it more modern, like the G80
Yeah.
and the F80.
Yeah, no,
This is
that-
2 generations old already.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
You guys can follow as well his wife, Car with Ellie.
Yeah, on
They are
Instagram.
very lovely couple. They are very cool. They are very passionate about car, and that's what we like. And of course, we're super happy to do a collaboration for the exhaust with you, man. So that's cool.
I
Well,
appreciate it very much.
of course.
And, yeah, look forward to hearing more people out there with the same exhaust.
Yeah, we're gonna do a couple pass with it, and we see you on the next video. Thank you so much, man. I appreciate it. Bye bye.
Thank you. Zen-Rage, appreciate it.
That's very cool, definitely.
Thanks, man. Nice push.
Yeah.
Alright, I'll do it on this one.
Yeah, this screen is huge actually.
Yeah, it's very big
Wow.
compared to the other screens that you see usually.
Yeah.
It's not as.
That's a very cool mod actually. I like it a lot.
Yeah, no, thanks, man. It definitely works even with this one.
Oh, nice. Okay.
Yeah. And you have the front. Is it the front camera?
Yeah.
So you can see.
Oh, okay. That's pretty
Yeah.
cool.
It's just good so you don't break the bumper on the
Yeah.
on the thing.
Check out that, guys.
Yeah.
Go see for the guys want to do some mods. Go follow his channel. He do a lot of things. He's very good with his hands. So
Yeah.
Check out.
DIY.
Yeah.
A lot of DIY.
DIY projects. Sal is very good with that. I will put on the description his Instagram and his channel as well. So go check it out.
Appreciate it, man. All right, here we go.
Wow, I was not ready.
Yeah.
I was not ready for that. Woo!